Hi, my name is Christopher Driesing. I live in Casper, Wyoming. I've lived here the majority of my life. I did move to Laramie at one point and lived there while I got my graduate degree. And this video is serving as an intro, a screencast, and then an outro for a quest project in my iTech class. I have asked my daughter, Suri, to be a part of the video. Which side are you going to pop up on? There you are. This is Suri. Oh, it's on that side. It's mirrored. This is Suri Love Driesing. She was born on February 14th, Valentine's Day. So she has love for her middle name. Would you like to say anything? Very short. Keep it very short. Do you just want to say hi?
Hi.
Great. Awesome. That's all we needed. Thank you. Bye. Should we get the sit in there? Come here, sit.
Oh, who's a good girl? Come here.
This is my dog, Sydney. She is a mini Aussie. She is 11. She's an old lady, and she doesn't like to be just randomly picked up. But she's going along with it. So, good girl. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to show you what my desktop looks like, and this is pretty busy. I like to organize keep everything down to just a few images, so you can see I've got some stuff going on here for class. I help the University of Wyoming look at student portfolios for submission to Pearson to determine whether or not they're ready to become teachers. So I got a little bit of that done this week. These were for iTech as well. This was an iTech one. I don't remember what that was. This was an iTech one. These were personal. I don't have that. Anyway, so you can see that I like to stay organized. The background of my computer is an Irish film called Song of the Sea. You can watch it on Netflix. It's about a young man whose mother dies giving birth to his sister, and she is a Selkie, which falls into some Irish traditional folklore. Anyway, she can't talk, and she's sick, and this is a picture of him leading her, or she's leading him through the forest, and he puts a dog chain on her because of their relationship. Anyway, so that is a screencast with the webcam going. I turned it on.
Oh.
And I'm speaking in an Irish accent because I just got done telling the people that, well, there's probably only one person watching who's looking at that background, but you like that movie, don't you?
Yes, I do.
The Song of the Sea. Are you trying your own accent?
Yes.
That's sounding great.
Sounding great. That's my best one yet.
That is the best one, yes. It's right on. Alright, so this is an outro.
Was the best one yet.
Alright, this is an outro using just the webcam, and so now we're going to say goodbye and get on with our Sunday. You don't. Yes, and your makeup looks lovely.
Yeah, I know.
Thanks.